Do you need help finding your story's theme? If so, I highly recommend using the Enneagram of personality as a framework to uncover what the story really wants to explore. The reason why I gravitated towards this as a tool for finding theme is because of where theme arises. The core message or central idea of a story, the theme, is shaped by the journey, choices, and growth of its characters. That and the results of these choices. As I've said in the past, the theme is what the writer has to say about a specific element of human nature. And the only reason the topic will be focused on by someone is because it's important to the character. If someone doesn't care, it won't come up. They won't devote time to it. So, recognizing this, I turn to the Enneagram of personality as a shortcut for identifying potential themes. Each Enneagram type is driven by a core concept which can be a goldmine for thematic explanation. Here's a quick rundown. Type 1. Integrity. Stories revolve around themes of morality, perfection, and the quest to improve the world. Type 2. Altruism. These narratives focus on the self-sacrifice and complexities of interpersonal dependency. Type 3. Success. Their journeys often explore the pursuit of ambition, image, and the cost thereof. Type 4. Identity. Central themes include self-expression and the search for significance. Type 5. Understanding. These stories emphasize knowledge, expertise, and the balance between detachment and engagement. Type 6. Security. Expect themes of loyalty, fear, and the pursuit of safety. Type 7. Freedom. Their plots typically involve adventure and escapism. Type 8. Control. Stories focus on power, self-reliance, and overcoming vulnerability. Type 9. Peace. These narratives are about harmony, conflict avoidance, and personal relevance. There is tons more I can recommend with the Enneagram, but we'll save that for the future discussion if the interest exists. If you do want to encourage me to create such things, please like, comment, and consider joining the channel membership if you can. And if you want more thematic exploration, check out my video on four-corner opposition